What if the toughest Tacoma you've ever seen wasn't built for parking lots, but for places where roads simply disappear? This is the 2026 Toyota Tacoma 6x6, a machine that looks extreme, sounds extreme, and exists for people who believe limits are optional. The regular Tacoma is already one of America's most trusted trucks. Builders rely on it, adventurers swear by it, and weekend warriors know it won't quit. But the 6x6 conversion takes that trust and pushes it into a completely different league. This isn't about showing off. It's about capability, stability, and control in environments where a normal pickup simply gives up. For expedition travel, rescue work, or serious off-grid exploration, this truck matters because it does something factory trucks just don't. For 2026, the Tacoma platform itself is stronger and more refined than ever, which makes it an even better foundation for a 6x6 build. Improved chassis rigidity, upgraded cooling systems, better electronics integration, and more advanced safety technology all make these custom conversions more usable and dependable than older builds. Conversion specialists have also refined suspension geometry and axle synchronization, so the driving experience feels more controlled and less raw than past. 6x6 trucks. Most 2026 Tacoma 6x6 builds are powered by the turbocharged 2.4-liter I-Force engine, sometimes paired with a hybrid system depending on the customer's goals. Power output typically sits around 278 horsepower, but what really matters is torque, strong, low-end torque tuned for crawling, hauling, and maintaining traction under load. Fuel economy isn't the focus here. Expect somewhere in the 12 to 16 miles per gallon range depending on configuration. Pricing varies widely, but realistic builds usually start around $110,000 and climb from there based on customization. This truck isn't about value in the traditional sense. If you're looking for something affordable, this is not it. But if you need unmatched traction, load distribution, and redundancy in extreme terrain, the Tacoma 6x6 can absolutely justify its cost. It's a tool built for a specific purpose, not a compromise. From the outside, the Tacoma 6x6 looks every bit as serious as it is. The extended bed, widened rear stance, heavy-duty steel bumpers, skid plates, roof-mounted equipment, and aggressive ride height all signal that this truck is built to work. Nothing here is decorative. Every modification exists for strength, balance, or protection. Because this is a custom conversion, trim levels depend on the base Tacoma used. Most builds start with TRD Off-Road or TRD Pro trims because they already come with locking differentials, reinforced components, and off-road ready hardware. From there, buyers choose suspension setups, axle ratios, bed configurations, and expedition equipment based on how the truck will be used. Lighting and styling details follow the same philosophy: LED light bars, auxiliary floodlights, beadlock wheels, and massive. Step inside, and it still feels like a Tacoma, which is exactly what you want. The cabin blends toughness with modern comfort, making it usable for long journeys without feeling stripped down or primitive. Materials are chosen for durability, water-resistant seats, reinforced panels, and surfaces that can handle dirt, dust, and abuse without falling apart. Technology remains familiar and intuitive. A large touchscreen, smartphone integration, navigation, and Toyota's driver assist features are all here. Nothing feels experimental or confusing, which matters when you're tired, remote, or focused on the terrain ahead. Storage inside the cabin is well thought out, with deep door pockets, a usable center console, and additional compartments depending on configuration. Rear seats are still practical for adults, though most owners will prioritize gear over passengers. Even so, ride comfort in the back is better than you'd expect for a truck of this size. The real star is the cargo area. The extended bed allows for auxiliary fuel tanks, tool storage, recovery gear, or full camping modules without throwing off balance. This is where the 6x6 layout truly earns its keep. On the road, the Tacoma 6x6 feels heavy but stable. Off-road, it feels nearly unstoppable. 6-driven wheels provide traction in conditions that defeat even advanced 4-wheel drive systems. Acceleration is controlled rather than quick, but power delivery is smooth and predictable, exactly what you want in technical terrain. Ride quality is surprisingly composed thanks to advanced suspension tuning, and cabin noise is well managed even with aggressive tires. Steering is slower and heavier than a standard Tacoma, but it's predictable and confidence-inspiring once you adjust. Fuel economy is the obvious compromise. This truck uses fuel, and it's not shy about it. But anyone shopping in this category understands that extreme capability comes at a cost. When compared to other custom 6x6 builds, the Tacoma stands out for reliability and parts availability. That matters when you're far from help. Its strongest advantage is traction and load stability. Its biggest weakness is cost. Toyota's reputation helps with resale value, even with custom conversions, and the underlying platform is proven. In the end, this truck isn't built for everyone, and that's exactly the point. If you're an explorer, a professional, or someone who demands absolute capability no matter where the journey leads, the 2026 Toyota Tacoma 6x6 makes sense. For everyone else, it's a machine to admire from a distance. If you enjoyed this deep dive, you're part of a community that values machines built with purpose. Subscribe, stay curious, and we'll see you on the next road, or wherever the road ends.